Wait.
Maybe just a little time. What's been going on in my life? Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is very spiteful sometimes. Oh, by midnight. Get up. Okay? Oh god, you know what? Look at Cynthia. Cynthia the dog. That's our dog. Say hi.
Oh wait. Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup today. I was meant to do a Q&A, but I don't know, I'm not in the mood. But I might, let me look. I don't want to ask anyone to ask me anything. I might Google something. Let me look. Give me a second. You didn't hear that. Okay, the first question is, what would you change about yourself if you could? I think everyone knows that answer. Definitely. Oh, but yeah, I probably would. I don't know. Let me pause. I need to tie my hair up. I've got my edges. Ouch. But yeah, I'll definitely probably change my tongue, my mouth, because not a bad thing, you know. My name is Yannick. I have a funny last name, so I won't mention it. Well, I think it's funny. I don't know about everyone else. But it's a weird name for me. But yeah, I like it and I don't like it because it's unique. But at the same time, it's funny because growing up in high school, everyone made fun of it. Well, not fun of it, but it stood out more than my first name, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so don't mind it. It's just What did you want to be when you were small? When I was small, I remember going to VBS. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but in Jamaica, I think it's called Vocabulary Bible School or something like that. Some Christian stuff. But anyways, it was like the last day, and I remembered we had to go up on the stage and collect like an award or something. It was like, I don't remember what day it was, like what the event was. I don't remember, but I remember going up and I said, they asked me, what do you want to be when you grow up? And I said, a mother. I said, oh, I want to be a mother. The entire church laughed at me. The church, you know, the people who are supposed to be like uppity, they all laugh. And I'm like, why are the people laughing? But yeah, that's not really what I wanted to be. When I was smaller, I wanted to be a pediatrician. I still want to be that, but because I'm in the field at the moment. Just that, I don't know. It's just the process is a bit long, isn't it? I don't know if I want to be, by the time I've done like all the, what do you call that? the purpose, the data, whatever, you know what I mean. By the time I'm finished, the 10 years or whatever years it takes to do it, I'll be like 30, and that's a bit old. I want to be having my children and stuff like that, you know. So yeah, I just blind myself.
Hello? Say hello. Say hello. Say hi first. You gotta say hi. Don't crack it.
Look. Say hello. I don't want it. Go get it. Go get it. Bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Get out. 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 Ah! Bye. Can I have it? Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yay.
See you later. Bye-bye. Get out. Don't touch it. Jesus Christ. Help.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you... I'll call you back when I'm done, okay? Get out. Don't come back. Shush. Bye. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye, baby. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Go on now. Okay. I'll see you later. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Bye. Ta-ta. Bye. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I've got enough bye-byes.